John and Dana, thank you very much. I'd like to welcome in Dr. Joel Cherdack. He is with Denver Regenerative Medicine. Welcome to KRDO.
Thank you, Mike.
Well, thank you for coming down, and we'll tell everyone how they can reach out and talk to you in just a couple of moments, because do you suffer from a sports injury, maybe arthritis? This man can help you, and I'd love for you to tell how you can help people. Let's talk about what stem cell therapy.
Okay, so our signature service, our trademark service, is named acCELLerate, and what that involves is taking a sample of stem cells from behind your hip, isolating and concentrating those, combining that with a blood sample from which we isolate platelets. We combine the platelets and the stem cells into one syringe, and under ultrasound guidance inject that into an arthritic joint or a muscle tear or a ligament tear, where it begins to regenerate new healthy tissue that is your own body's tissue.
And how long does something like this take on average?
Our procedures take an hour and a half or less. Patients walk into our clinic, and when you're done, if you walked in, you're going to walk out. There's no recovery time involved.
And you can see people fairly quickly if they would like to come get a consultation, is that correct?
Absolutely. We offer a complimentary free consultation. We have appointments available starting tomorrow and including next week.
How about recovery time? What is that like?
Recovery time, patients feel about 24 to 48 hours of some soreness, and then once that resolves, the healing starts to take place, and patients within a week typically have significant pain reduction.
All right, well, I'll tell you what, we have a little testimonial we're going to play right now. A former Denver Bronco player came to you, and you've been able to help him out. His name is Mark Schlerf, so let's go ahead and hear what Mark has to say.
Hi, I'm Mark Schlerf, Super Bowl champion and former Denver Bronco. Playing football for most of my life took its toll on my body. I've had too many surgeries to count, so I went to Denver Regenerative Medicine to see if they could fix my shoulders, which have had extensive tendon tears and arthritis. They were able to combine my own stem cells and platelets and inject the combination directly into the damaged areas. The procedure only took an hour and a half, and I began to feel significantly better after only the first week. Now I'm 8 weeks out, and my shoulders haven't felt this good in more than a decade. I wish I had this procedure 10 years ago. Before you have surgery, talk to these guys.
Well, that's pretty powerful. And if you have some questions for the doctor, would you like to know how this man can help you? Doctor, how do they reach out and contact you?
They can call us at 720-583-1648, or they can visit us on the web at denverregenerativemedicine.com.
Now, when we hear the word Denver, we think, how long is it going to take to reach out and drive to see you? You're on the south side of the city.
Right. We're only 45 minutes from downtown Colorado Springs, and we're about a mile off I-25 in South Denver.
All right, a fascinating way to help people, and it sounds like the recovery time is minimal, and you get people in and out, and then you're feeling like a new person.
Absolutely.
All right, good to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
All right, Dana and John, back to you.